people, welcome back to our channel. Parchment Fam Day here again. As you can see background right now with the park. You know, this is, well, today is September the 6th. This is Labor Day.
And they don't do no labor up here.
Yeah, so right now with the park, I walk around when the kids, them young one, them see them there.
Say hi.
Say hi, Nene. Say hi. Say hi.
Do you look over my glass?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, watch him. Yeah, so with the park, you know, we are walk around, take it easy and think. Yeah, so if it's the first time to the channel, this is the Parchment Fam. Welcome to the channel. We do have a wide variety of videos. So as you can see out and about now, we do have a little adventure on the channel. Traveling, cooking, DIYs. A few videos here and there on various different categories. So hope you enjoy this one. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorn and watch. Alright?
Some coffee. And
please don't get too comfortable. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you're not yet subscribed. Alright? For regular viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Alright, thank you for your support. Thank you for always tuning in. The kids them here, I walk around. And we there here. This one I look.
I really want to go in the lake, but I don't know how to swim.
It's sunny about our eye, people. Come.
so beautiful. What are you looking at my head? Why would you want to go in the lake though, Chunky?
It's so good. It's so good to go in the lake. Imagine if I go there and I just fall deep.
Jayana, please get out of my way.
I want to go there. Let me see Gotcha!
You don't need to run around.
Which one is it? Huh? It's the guy I'm so. No! No! Got you. Hey! What the? No, you did it.
Guys, the kids don't get to come out and play in a long time. I don't really care about much with everything that's going on, so they get to it. This is a treat for them.
Okay, Sam, get me. I don't know where the jail is. Huh? I don't know where the jail is. Maybe it should be over there. Okay. Now I'm trying to get me. I'm going down the hill. We are going down the hill. This is so fun.
Here people, so right about now as you can see, sun are blazing in our face. Hot right now. It's very hot.
Yay, it's almost fall.
Hot right now.
Jana, please go out here. Walk
Oh my god, that's what.
Oh, some much needed cool shade. It is hot. There's a frisbee in the water. Jayana, where you going?
So
Oh, it's their frisbee.
They do it all the way over there. I can't believe it.
Then they won't get to it if you ever. Let's see if he's gonna get it.
I knew it.
Ooh, where did it go? Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, in the water though. Ah! You go in the water. I don't know where they get the throwing frisbee.
Someone is gonna have to jump in the water.
Oh God.
There was one over there, but I don't know where it went.
Everybody here now. So when Salcone asleep.
I want to see her.
She's sleeping.
Hi.
She is sleeping down the place.
Yeah. Oh, where's she?
First time. It's her first time at the park. Also, if you go away, no matter. First time at the park.
Hey, wakey.
No matter wakey. She sleeps. Not like she'll get up and play.
This hill.
Walk.
Yeah, that's stay in there.
Ready for that one?
Water. Where was
If you're them,
that?
I mean, nice.
So nice to be in nature sometimes.
Mommy,
Just
can I
pop in
go
our
play?
house. Park. You park here then? You can't go find them there something there.
Why? Why?
Chucky, why? Hey, oi!
Come on, find dirty place,
Get up
man.
off of deer, man. This one is all here.
You look on a tree here if you got.
I used what it says I could. I wait.
Yeah, people, see people around here throw a frisbee. Stay frisbee. My morning, yeah. Body a walk.
Frisbee! It's over there!
Don't want a turtle. You put up in your head, one turtle put up in your head right here, so.
There
went
is.
to at school
Can you
on the
stay?
field trip.
You went to the zoo on a field trip? What did you do in that time?
I think it was second or first. Wow.
Yeah, so cool, yes. I need some cool in my life.
Yeah, people, so walk around this side and look. Nice trees, nice landscape. Look at that.
I'm thirsty.
Nice to come outside and enjoy a little nature, you know?
I'm being up the outside is what I'm totally doing.
See why you must touch up your hand, touch up the spent up there so I know you put your hand in your face.
Yeah. So we not really, if you notice, we not do much talking, we just walk and look, you know? It's a scenery thing today. Yeah, people, so as you can see around here, I get crowded right about now. Yeah. Whole heap of people there here today, a holiday, you know? Everybody out and about today, enjoy the day. I walk around. Jonas, me tired to tell you, stay in front.
Shade freedom. Remember last time I finished
Yeah.
great excitement, go Elisto in front. Dragonfly, now do you want?
This one start run around in foolishness already, people afraid of fly.
You must come out and do if you're free.
Yeah, next time we leave her.
You want to stay home next time?
I want to go to the pool.
These days the pool. If you get the last time, you're free after the excitement.
Yeah, take your time and stroll around.
Inside of the water.
You know, look where you're so weird.
And I'll go on the water.
So I'm going to go around with the car, with car pass.
It's nice for a nice picture.
Oh, it does not. I want to go over there. Mommy, I want to sit down.
Yeah, sweat
so we're on we lap. I'll go around now. We have a long way to go. So all right here, so. They are running up and down, you know.
You want I guess you want to know what just around then you glad be out of the way here. Come mama. Jinea. Alright. But I don't go too far. Come, Jinea. Diana, turn back now, because you can't turn back. Hey. Turn. You want to move, you know? Alright, go on now, mama.
Yeah, come.
Stop. Diana, Chunky, stop. So what are we now? No, come on, can't run in front of me. I want to run over there, so.
I don't want to stay home.
Watch out. I want to run up in a jail now.
Hey! Trying to
Son got down liquor, so it's not so bad.
Uh-oh. It's coming. Why would you say that? Now the sun wants to go.
Next year, this is one of the day I want to find down too.
I mean, she's so tall. It looks so weird when I'm outside.
And almost like Chunky.
You get that and you reach your shoulder.
I'm taller than you.
We are tall.
Age. We never say people just grow fast and grow, so they reach a stage, then they stop. And then they start again.
Jesus, watch it.
Sun rays again.
Okay, see that though, when you go, you make sure you throw that in the reticule, because I don't know why you bring it with there.
The people is sun rays again.
I know.
Go.
That's sweat. Go on, we drink water. You get to drink water.
Come,
Where you cut off?
let's walk. Don't stop. You can read what around this way. Come, Benny. See. Go on.
I don't want to go home. I felt like I was going to fall.
Watch, I go say, oh, me target today. Alright, guys, so on the last stretch, you know, going to our car. Come here, sweat. Burn off some baby weight. And she slept the entire time. Yay! We made it to our car. Jeez, that was a workout. Then one day I come. I'm tired.
Yeah, people, so we just finished a walk around the park and we are head home now. Everybody are sweat. Kids are sweat. Parents are sweat. Everybody are sweat. Yeah, baby sleep the whole time in our stool now. So we are head out now. And we are go on the road again and then we go home. Yeah, so yeah, man, they are head out back on the road, you know, and leave the park right about now. What you have to say? Yeah, everybody hungry, so
we are head out.
We are head out. We probably get some to eat.
Yeah.
Now, 11 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
So
It's a wrap.
That's it, that is it, people. As you said, it's a wrap, you know. We just come out in the morning, go and walk. It's a long time we don't come out with the kids them. You know. Remember we used to walk back then in the morning sometime?
Yeah.
Me and you used to come out and with Nene when she the young with the stroller.
Yeah, we used to come early in
We used
the
to come
morning.
early in the morning, we drop off the son at school and come walk at the park. It's a long time we don't really get time for that.
And it's good to get out of the house because the house can be depressing at times.
Yeah, sometimes when in the house, so sorry, but me put on my seatbelt, people. Me sit down and talk and I put on my seatbelt.
At least you're still up on the park.
Yeah, so it's good if you come out of the house, come see a different scenery, experience nature a little bit.
And
You take your mind off of, you take your mind off of other things, you know?
it just uplift you instantly by coming
Yeah.
out.
No matter-
You know with the dog.
No matter what you think about, no matter what you're thinking about, when you come here, you see, you just captivate your mind. You take your mind away from other
When
things.
you sit down at home and you just sit down and
Yeah, when you're there home,
Just
you
have
just
to
sit
know
down,
everything where you go wrong.
everything just, gather in your head and then you start imagine other things. But it's good to get away sometime. If you cramp up in the house, you will drive you crazy some at times, you know?
yeah. No.
Even things that happened years ago, you get over, you start thinking about it
I know,
again.
right? Like it just come
It's
back
like
to
it
you.
just captivate your mind, you know? When you're there home, when you're cramped in the house, everything just captivate your mind. You're not supposed to live on your mind.
Yeah, and then if you watch TV and I hear all
Yeah, and
kind
I
of
watch.
signal,
Yeah,
it's so
you
depressing
just need to get out,
sometimes.
man.
So yeah, so if you lock up in the house,
Yeah,
then get
people.
out in the nature, you know.
Yeah, just get out and to experience nature a little bit, you know?
Yeah, man. So you singing, Nene? Alright, so wrap up.
Yeah, people, so that's it for the video, you know? We just come out, go enjoy, go walk and enjoy the nature a little bit this morning.
Kids, they
Bring the
complain
kids
a
them
little
out,
because
make them come
They
sweat.
need to come out some more.
Yeah, make them come sweat out some of that house thing there, you know?
Yeah.
And experience nature a little bit.
Up in that house pan and tablet.
Yeah, make them come out, go enjoy themselves a little bit, you know?
That's what you're saying, Nene?
Yeah, people, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, you know? So
you like what you see,
if you like what you see,
subscribe if you
just
haven't already.
subscribe. Don't be stingy with your subscription. Turn on the
doesn't cost
notification bell.
anything.
Turn on the notification bell and like.
Alright.
That's it. You just a tip of your finger. You know you text more than that. So you don't take anything, you just tap and tap, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, so for regular viewers as well, thank you for tuning in, thank you for your continued support, and we do appreciate it. Alright, so that's the end of another video. Peace.
Bye.